Hi, I'm Felicia Hamilton with Magic 1013 and a proud member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. And we are here and ready to support World AIDS Day. And all we need now is you. As we walk for this worthy cause, there are 3 different ways that you can join us. You can pledge to walk, you can like, post, and share. And thirdly, you can post a picture walking using the hashtags. If you've picked up one of these t-shirts, make sure you wear it while you walk and make sure you use the hashtag when you post. Next up, we'll hear from our amazing sponsors. First is Dr. Sarita Mobley at Providence Family Medicine in Lumpkin, Georgia.
I'm Dr. Sarita Mobley, family practice physician. I'm aware of the impact that HIV and AIDS has on the patient as well as their support system and community. The Ryan White program was named in honor of a courageous young man, Ryan White. Ryan White was diagnosed with AIDS following a blood transfusion in 1984.
Well, my name is Folarin Oluboale, MD, FACP. I've been an infectious disease physician for the last 27 years in Columbus, Georgia. I've taken care of a lot of HIV patients, and it's been very gratifying that people with HIV are doing very well, with being compliant with their medications. And we've seen, I had patients that when I came to Columbus, Georgia, 27 years ago, that are still living, and I've gone back to productive life, gone back to work, and it gladdens my heart when I see these people doing well. We all know that HIV, they actually say now that it's probably better to have HIV than having diabetes mellitus, which is incredible, which is nice because there are a lot of new medication, things are evolving. Patients are even having the opportunity of having injections once in 2 months now, instead of taking all the pills every day, for those patients that are appropriate. But there's a lot of development in the HIV world that is very good, and I just employ people to take good care of themselves if they have HIV. It's not a death sentence. And remember, undetectable means not transmissible. That's the slogan now. So if you take care of yourself and your viral is undetectable, you're not likely to transmit this infection. And that's part of the awareness that the CDC is carrying. Thank you very much. Join in this work and support the good cause for HIV care. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Larry Beauty Bottle Supply, Columbus, Georgia. I'm supporting the HIV program for the month of December, and we ask everyone to do their part in supporting the HIV.
Our next sponsor is Toya Chester, co-owner of Chester's Barbecue and T. Chester's Adult Care Incorporated.
Hello, my name is Toya Chester. I am a registered nurse. I support HIV/AIDS awareness and want to share a little facts with you. Due to the rising number of new infections, Columbus was identified in the 2013 as an eligible recipient for the Part A of the Ryan White Treatment Extension Act of 2009. HIV treatment looks a lot different than it used to. In fact, it's just as easy as treating other chronic diseases. HIV is life-changing, not life-ending.
Make sure you check out Toya Chester and Chester's Barbecue. They've got the best barbecue in the Tri-City area. Our next sponsor is Brian Beverly and Sharon Cox Beverly, owners of Rolling Video Games of Columbus.
I'm Brian Beverly.
And I'm Sharon Cox Beverly. And we're the owners of Rolling Video Games, Columbus, Georgia. We're aware of the impact that HIV/AIDS has on the patient, their support system, and their community.
We support Ryan White HIV/AIDS program, a federal program that provides HIV-related health services. Thank you.
Thank you.
So make sure you check out Brian Beverly and Sharon Cox Beverly with Rolling Video Games of Columbus for all of your party needs, all of your celebration needs, and they can roll right up to your doorstep and get the party started. Next up, we'll have Dr. Daniel Singleton, MD, family medical physician.
Hello, I'm Dr. Dan Singleton, and I work at Martin Army Community Hospital in Fort Benning, Georgia. More than half of the people living with diagnosed HIV in the United States receive services through the Ryan White HIV/AIDS program each year. That means more than 500,000 people receive services through the program. Buenos días, soy el Dr. Daniel Singleton y trabajo aquí en el Hospital de Martin Army en Fort Benning, Georgia. Más que la mitad de las personas en los Estados Unidos con un diagnóstico de VIH reciben servicios a través del programa VIH-Sida Ryan White. Eso significa más de 500,000 de personas recibieron servicios de este programa este año.
And again, thank you to Dr. Daniel Singleton, MD, family medical physician. And now we will hear some stats from our healthcare and educational community.
Hi, I am Heather Bolden. I am a family nurse practitioner. I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. I bring World AIDS Day awareness to you by sharing a fact. Did you know that the Ryan White HIV/AIDS program is the largest federal program focused exclusively on providing HIV care and treatment services to people with HIV? The program provides a comprehensive system of care for people living with HIV who are underinsured or uninsured.
Hi, my name is Dominique Donaldson, and I am a proud member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. I'm walking for a cure because I know the impact that HIV and AIDS can have on a patient as well as their support system and community. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. HIV weakens a person's immune system by destroying important cells that fight the disease and infection. There currently is no effective cure for HIV.
Good evening. My name is Linda Frazier, and I am a family nurse practitioner in the state of Georgia. I support HIV/AIDS awareness and want to share a little fact with you. In the state of Georgia, 79%, that is 1,976 of those diagnosed with HIV infection during 2019 were male. 19%, which is 484, were female, and 2%, which is 44, were transgender. Thank you for your attention and hearing this information about HIV and AIDS.
Hello, my name is Ebony Cobb, and I am a registered nurse. I am a proud member of the Kappa Chi chapter of Chi Eta Phi Nursing Sorority in Columbus, Georgia. I support HIV and AIDS awareness, and I would like to share a fact with you. Everyone between the ages of 13 and 64 should get tested for HIV at least once.
You should get retested if you have had anal or vaginal sex without a condom, or if you've shared injection drug equipment with someone who has HIV.
It is so important for everyone to get tested. It is so important for you to know your status. Get tested today.
I am Daphne Hill Cannon, a retired registered nurse. I want to support local and bring awareness by walking for a cure for HIV/AIDS in my community. Never share needles, syringes, or other drug injection equipment.
Hello, my name is Demonica Cannon, family nurse practitioner and a member of Kappa Chi chapter Chi Eta Phi sorority. And I support HIV/AIDS awareness, and I want to share a fact with you. Did you know when used properly, condoms are a proven and effective means of preventing HIV infection among men and women? For more information, visit unaids.org. Thank you.
I am Vicki Williams-Wiley, your college administrator. I am walking for a cure because I know someone that is HIV positive. There is treatment for HIV infection and AIDS. Early detection is key. Get tested today.
Hello, my name is Lyra Dent. I am a registered nurse, and I'd like to share the fact with you about HIV and AIDS awareness. HIV medications are recommended for persons regardless to how long they have had HIV and regardless to how well they are feeling. Thank you.
So many medical advancements have been made for people who are living with HIV. Make sure you contact your local healthcare provider for options. And we want to extend another warm thank you to our sponsors. And we want to thank you, the community, for joining us in this worthy cause. And don't forget, you can join us in 3 different ways. You can pledge to walk, you can like, post, and share, and you can post a picture, and please use our hashtags. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have had an amazing time. This has been a much needed educational moment, and we again thank you so much. It's your girl Felicia, 6-time published author, motivational speaker. She's got the mic for all of your hosting needs. You can catch me 10 to 3 on Magic 1013 Monday through Friday. If you don't have the iHeartRadio app, download it today.
Columbus, Georgia Alumni Chapter and Columbus Metropolitan Alumni Chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated and community partners, thank you for joining us in reaching back during our World AIDS Day annual event. Thank you.